In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Fortinet on your Android device. If you're looking to remove Fortinet from your phone, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, so you can free up that space on your device and ensure everything runs smoothly. To get started first, you'll need to visit the Fortinet website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Fortinet's support page. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your Fortinet account. This step is crucial because accessing certain features or documentation often requires you to be logged in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here, take a look at the menu bar on the left side of your screen. You'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom left corner to find the document library. This is where all the essential guides and documentation are kept, so it's a vital resource throughout this process. Next, click on the Document Library option. This will open up a wealth of information for you. The next step is to search for something specific, which, in this case, is FortiClient. Use the search bar to type in FortiClient and press Enter. This will bring up all the related documents and guides available. Now, click on the FortiClient link that appears in your search results. You're looking for the FortiClient Android Administration Guide, so make sure to select that option. This guide will provide you with detailed instructions on managing FortiClient on your Android device. Once you've opened the guide, look for the section labeled Getting Started. Clicking on this will provide you with foundational information and prepare you for the uninstallation process. As you scroll through the guide, keep an eye out for the section titled Force Stopping FortiClient Android from the Apps page. This is a crucial step because force stopping the app is typically necessary before you can uninstall it. After you've accessed the force stop instructions, Fortinet will guide you through the uninstallation process for Android. Follow the directions carefully, and soon enough, you'll have successfully removed Fortinet from your device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily uninstall Fortinet from your Android device. If you run into any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Fortinet's support for additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.